Ever wondered how ancient scripture reflects on modern concerns? Dive with us into the little book of Haggai, tucked within the Bible's Old Testament. Though short, spanning just 2 chapters, its message is enduringly relevant. The year is around 520 BC. The Israelites have returned from Babylonian exile, not to prosperity, but to Jerusalem lying in ruins. They start rebuilding homes, yet the temple remains neglected. Here enters Haggai, a prophet with a mission, to rekindle their passion for God's house. Chapter 1 kicks off with Haggai's call to priority, urging the people to stop prioritizing their comfort over their commitment to God. Is it a time for you yourselves to be living in your paneled houses while this house remains a ruin? This challenges them and us to reconsider our own priorities. Now, you might ask, what's the big deal about a building? Well, the temple wasn't merely a structure. It symbolized God's presence among His people. Neglecting it meant neglecting their relationship with Him. The people feel the sting of Haggai's words and respond. Then the whole remnant of the people obeyed the voice of the Lord. In an act of obedience, they begin rebuilding. Moving to chapter 2, we find another crucial theme: encouragement amidst discouragement. As the people compare the new structure to Solomon's grand temple, they become disheartened. Enter Haggai again with a powerful word: "Be strong and work, for I am with you." He assures them the future glory of this temple will surpass the former. How? This points to more than a building, but a promise of Christ's coming, a greater and permanent divine presence. Haggai's simple yet profound message teaches that our faithfulness can transform ruins into glory. Isn't it remarkable how these ancient lessons still resonate today? Join us as we continue to uncover more timeless truths from the Bible. Stay curious, stay inspired,